Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm very much excited about today's video because this is the first time ever I'm doing GLAMEGO unboxing video, and this box was sent to me by GLAMEGO and they wanted me to do a unboxing video for them, and I'm very happy because they have given me this opportunity. This is the first time ever I'm doing a collaboration video. So let's see what's there in this month's GLAMEGO and beauty box. I already know what's inside this box because I was so super excited. I could not stop myself from opening this box already. So sorry for that, but yeah, this is what the box looks like from outside. And once you open this packaging, you will get the actual box. The packaging is not very heavy, so it's not difficult to carry this. And once you open up the box, you will get, yeah, so this is what the box looks like. So this month's title is No Resolution, because it's the first month of the year and every year we tend to make some resolutions. So they're saying that this time you will not make any resolution. And the back side of the packaging, they have mentioned some of the very common like resolutions that we make, like we will find love, we'll lose weight, get fair, shop less. So yeah, this is this month's title. For those of you who don't know about GLAMEGO, GLAMEGO is India's #1 beauty subscription box. It's very affordable and you get products worth 5 times or even 6 times the money that you pay. If you're subscribing for 1 month, you have to pay 399 rupees, and if you're subscribing for 6 months or even longer, then you have to pay 299 rupees. That is, the longer that you subscribe for, the less that you have to pay. And you could be getting about 4 to 5 products, including beauty products or skincare and hair care products. Once you open this box, this is what you see inside. So first I see a card which says thanks for making GLAMEGO India's #1 beauty box, and I can see 4 products out here. First product which I see inside is this natural bath and body vital nourishment cream, grapefruit and vitamin C. This is what it looks like. It's a 20 ml product, so this is a sample size product. So basically, after cleansing your face, you have to massage this all over your face. It will nourish your face. This natural bath and body is it's a herbal product. I have already used one of their face masks previously and I absolutely liked it. So I'm very excited to try this product out. The next product is this Bio Bloom skincare face oil. This is a 15 ml full size product, and this retails for 14.99, which is quite expensive. If you're buying this box for 299 rupees, then this is 5 times the money that you pay for, which already covers your money, I would say. This is what the inner packaging looks like. So basically you have to take this oil and you have to take 2 drops of this oil and apply it all over your face before you apply your day cream or night cream. So what this oil will do is that it will prevent your skin from aging. So if you're above 18, then you should start using face oil, because our skin tries to start the aging process after we become 18. It has a very nice fragrance and I am in love with the packaging. It looks so classy. I'm very much excited to try this product out. Yeah. The next product is this McAfee shower gel. This is a paraben-free shower gel. It has a very beautiful fragrance. And McAfee is a very nice brand. I have used their shower gels previously also. So yeah, this is a very good product as well. And the last product in this month's box is the Bella Voste Perfect Gloss. Now this is the product which grabbed my attention the moment I opened this box. These days Bella Voste is becoming very popular. I already have one of the lipsticks, and this is the first time I tried their lip gloss. Now I already tried this product and I know how it works for my lips. Here goes the lip swatch. So yeah, this is how the lipstick looks on me. It gives a very nice plum effect to your lips, as you can see. Now I have already used this one day, and I've noticed that this color will stay on your lips for about 3 hours. But after that the color will fade, but the gloss will remain on your lips for a very long time, and it will keep your lips moisturized. This is a very good if your lips are chapped and you don't prefer wearing matte lipsticks, and also during the time of winter, because in winter our lips try to get a bit chapped. So this will keep your lip moisturized. The balm will remain there for a very long time. The color will fade after 3 hours. So it's very good for daily use. And if you want your lips to look a bit juicy and plump, then you can definitely go for this lip color. Yeah, so these are the products which I received in this month's GLAMEGO box. I think it's a very good combination because I received one makeup product, I received one shower gel, a face oil, and a face cream. I'm very much excited to try the face oil because I haven't tried face oils before and I want to see how it works for my face. If you are somebody who likes to try out, new products, the products from new upcoming makeup brands and also herbal brands like skincare and hair care brands, then do subscribe for GLAMEGO because it's very affordable and you get products which is worth like 6 times, 5 times more than the money that you pay for. And you'll be getting products from upcoming new brands. So yeah, subscribe for GLAMEGO. You'll get to try many different brands. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Bye.